In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create conditional dropdowns. We'll build a simple, efficient setup in Google Sheets that updates a second dropdown based on the choice you make in the first. The trick is a filtered helper list that automatically shows only the relevant options, so everything stays tidy and fast. Start by preparing your data on a separate sheet. On sheet 2, place your main categories as headers in cells A1, B1, and so on, one category per column. Directly under each header, list the sub-items that belong to that category with no blank rows in between. Keeping this data clean and contiguous is important because the formula we'll use relies on consistent ranges. Next, create the primary dropdown on your main working sheet. Click the cell where you want users to pick a category, such as A2 on the main sheet. Go to Data, choose Data Validation, and click Add Rule. Set the criteria to drop down from a range, then select the header cells on sheet 2 that contain your category names, for example, sheet 2 font A1B1. Save the rule. Now, when you click A2, you'll be able to choose a category from those headers. With the first drop down in place, switch back to sheet 2 to build the filtered helper list. Pick an empty column, such as E, and in cell E2, enter this formula exactly. It asks filter sheet 2 A2 B10, sheet 2 A1 B1 equal main sheet A2. This formula looks at the category selected in main sheet A2, finds the matching header on sheet 2, and returns only the sub-items from that column. If you later add more items, extend the ranges in the formula so they include your full lists. Finally, create the secondary drop-down that depends on the first. Return to the main sheet and click the cell for your second choice, such as B2. Go to Data, Data Validation, Add Rule, choose drop-down from a range, and set the range to the helper list you just created, for example, sheet 2, E2, E10. Save the rule. Now, when you pick a category in A2, the items in B2 automatically update to show only the matching sub-items. A few tips as you go. Make sure the text in your headers matches exactly with what appears in the primary drop-down. If you see a no matches message in the helper list, double check the sheet names and ranges in your formula. And as your lists grow, update the ranges or switch to larger ranges to accommodate future entries. That's it. Clean, dynamic, conditional drop-downs powered by a simple helper list.